Step into a world of wonder at magical little minds. Get ready for fantastic stories that will transport you to extraordinary places. Remember to spread the magic by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
Bathtime for Biscuit by Alyssa, Satin, Capucilli. Pictures by Pat Scories. Time for bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to play. Time for bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to dig. Time for bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to roll. Time for bath, Biscuit. Time to get nice and clean. Woof woof. In you go. Woof. Biscuit does not want a bath. Bow wow. Biscuit sees his friend Puddles. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to climb out. Come back, Biscuit. Woof. Come back, Puddles. Bow wow. Biscuit and Puddles want to play in the sprinkler. Biscuit and Puddles want to dig in the mud. Biscuit and Puddles want to roll in the flower bed. Now I have you. Woof woof. Let go of the towel, Biscuit. Bow wow. Let go of the towel, Puddles. Silly puppies. Let go. Woof woof. Bow wow. Oh. Time for a bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. A bath for all of us. The end.
Thank you for joining us on this magical reading journey. If you're ready to continue the fun and learn even more, visit our Etsy shop for exciting educational printables. You can count on us to make learning numbers fun and easy with our popular animal jungle themed kids numbers flashcards. Let's keep the learning adventure going. Head over to our Etsy shop now and make learning numbers a colorful and engaging experience.